What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. We're gonna run through the driving tests. We're at one of my favorite locations in Broward County. As usual, I show the area just to give you an idea, but we can't actually say where we're at. Alright, I'm just gonna get into the video. We're gonna do the alternate version of the test at this location. I think I'll have like 4 videos on the channel about this actual test. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn the steering wheel to the left, you put the car in park, you pull up the parking brake, and you turn off the ignition.
Cool. Alright, now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. So signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, they are doing that to make sure that the lights are working on the car. The brake lights, the turn signal lights, the horn. If those things are not working, they will not allow you to take the test in that car. So make sure those things are working. Alright, so let's get into the video. By the way, the examiners are calling you on the phone still at this location. No one from this location is getting in the car with you. They're calling you on the phone, and you have to have someone 21 or older sit with you. Someone with a license sit with you. Alright, now reverse from here and go to the left. That's what they're gonna tell you. Put it in reverse. So you look behind just like you're doing. When your mirror is past the end of the line, you're gonna turn all the way right because you're going left. And that is good. That's cool. You don't need to go back that much. Alright, put it in drive. So now you remember, like we've been practicing, you're gonna pull straight up here and make sure you're straight when you pull up there so you can go straight back. So they'll tell you to stop probably here, but make sure you're straight. You're kind of not straight right this minute. Alright, reverse. Yeah, you look behind you just like that, and you roll straight back until they tell you to stop. So stop about here. Alright, now we're gonna speed up to 20 and do the sudden stop.
Got it.
Alright, put in drive. Speed up 20 miles per hour and stop. Okay, that's cool. Alright, now we're gonna go straight down. We're gonna do the 3-point turn down at the end of this corridor.
Stay to the right.
Close to your right side as usual, yeah. If you drive on the wrong side of the road, they will definitely fail you. So you always stay close to your right side. And we're gonna go down and we're gonna do the 3-point turn down here. Because again, this is the alternate test. If there's someone doing the test in the regular location, then they'll do this one. And sometimes actually they choose to do this one just like for whatever reason. Go ahead. Like yesterday I was here, there was no one doing the other test, and they did this one. So I guess it depends on how the examiner is feeling.
They can switch it up.
They can switch it up, exactly. Alright, so go ahead and do that. Okay, that's cool. Signal again. Pull up close to the right side so you can park. And again, the closer you are to the right side, the easier it is to park.
Got it.
Yeah. And you come up and you line up your mirror. Line up the mirror like that. Alright. Turn all the way left. Straighten up, pull straight in. Okay, that is cool. Reverse, and we're going to the left again, so you're back straight out the cone.
Got it.
Turn all the way right as soon as you pass the cone. That's good. And we're gonna make a left turn here. Go down to the stop sign and make a left turn. All those drunks are actually gone. I was gonna put them on the video.
They got.
I guess they heard me talking about it.
They knew you were gonna do
They're
a
like,
video.
let me get out of here before this man put me on camera. So 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make a left. Alright, just like that. Yeah, make sure you come to the right side. Straight up here. And pull forward. Signal left, and you're making your. So they'll say make a left and then make a quick left. And you just turn here. And pull straight up here a little bit. And they will tell you to stop, like maybe here. Stop right here. Put the car in park for a second. And how do you think you did?
It was really smooth. I think I did good.
You did 100% actually.
Very smooth
Very, yeah.
process.
Yeah, there was really no mistakes at all. So yeah, I expect her to do exactly that on the test. Right?
Right.
Okay. All right. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please like the videos, share the videos, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Again, I'm still only getting like 15% of the people watching my videos subscribing, which sucks. Yeah, I get 60,000 views for the month. I get 500 subscribers. That really sucks. So yes, please subscribe to the channel.
And like the video.
And like the videos. Like her videos. See,
like
right?
the video.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.